Today I want to show you how to write Korean consonants. Here are the 14 Korean consonants, and let's bring a paper and write them together. The first consonant has a G sound, and you go right down, right down, right down. And the second consonant has a N sound, and you go down, right, down, right, down, right. The third consonant has a D sound, and you go right, down, right, right, down, right, right, down, right. And this consonant actually has multiple ways to write it. The first way is combining these two consonants with a little stick in the middle. You put the G consonant and put a stick in the middle and the N consonant. The second way is connecting all of them together like this. The third way is when you want to write it quickly, like this. And then the fifth consonant that has a sound, you just draw a square, like this. And next consonant has a B sound, you're basically drawing a bucket. The next consonant has a S sound, and this actually looks different when you write it than when you type it. When you write it, one stroke is longer than the other, like this. But when you type it, it looks like they have a very similar length. And the silent consonant, you just draw a circle. The next consonant has a J sound. This one also looks different when you write it. You would write a good consonant and then you put a little stick. Good consonant, little curved with a little stick. The next consonant has a Ch sound and it looks really similar to the J consonant. You just have to put a little stick on top and then put a J. Like this. Next consonant has a K sound, so you're basically writing the G consonant with a little stick. Like this. And the next consonant has a T sound, and then you're writing a D consonant with a stick in the middle. Like this. The next consonant has a P sound, and you go right, down, down, close. Right, down, down, close. And there you have it. The last consonant has a H sound, and you go down, right, circle. Down, right, circle. Down, right, circle. You got this!